Hi all, welcome to Salesforce in 5 minutes. In this video, I'm going to give the answer of all the interview shots that I've discussed previously. But before getting started, if you really like my videos, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So first question was, can we call wire inside connected callback? So answer is yes, we can call wire inside the connected callback, but there will be synchronization issues. So the data won't be synchronized. And the reason is because first the wire executes, right? First, what usually happens is wire executes, okay? It tries to search the data inside the DOM, but no data. Okay. Next, connected callback gets executed. Okay, as soon as it is inside, the element is inserted inside the DOM, connected callback gets executed. Now the data is available. Next time again wire gets executed, and as soon as the second time the wire is executed, data is available. Now if you are changing, like for an example, you are adding the wire inside the connected callback, in that case in that case the data will be available or won't be available, and there will be some kind of synchronization issue if you are including the wire inside the connected callback. But we can call the wire inside the connected callback. So this is the answer for this first interview question. Yes, we can do it. Next, move on to the next question. Can one LWC component have two wires? And if yes, which executes first? And if no, why can't we have it? The answer to this question is one LWC component can have two wires. I have seen it multiple times that one LWC component can have two wires. Okay, but the order of execution is not controlled. So in order to control that order of execution, you can use reactive properties like track or something like that. So let's say I have two wire this annotations, right? Then one wire, okay, what it is trying to do is it's trying to bring let's say info 1. Okay, it's trying to bring info 1, and inside this wire 2 we have to pass info 1 as a parameter, okay, to get the info 2. So what's exactly happening is wire 2, this I'm going to call it as wire 2 and wire 1. Okay, wire 2 is dependent on wire 1 because unless and until it does not have info 1, we cannot get the info 2. So there are two wires, but they are completely dependent on each other. In that cases, if you want this, okay, in that cases you want that wire 1 should be executed first and then the wire 2 should be executed. So in that case, try to use a track property, that is a reactive property. So you can use track info 1, let's say info 1 that we have created over here. I'm going to make it as reactive using the track property, and as soon as we do it, what's going to happen is that you are going to set the whatever the value that you are going to get, you are going to set this info 1 from the data that has been uh, coming based on the callback that you are making, right? So what's going to happen is that as soon as only when this info 1 data is populated, only when this value is getting populated, after that only the wire 2 will get executed, because you have used the track property or the track variable inside the your wire. So the one with the reactive property will execute first, that is wire 1 will execute first, and after that only the wire 2 will execute. So you can control the order of execution. So basically the simple answer to this question is that one LWC component can have two wires. Let's move to the next question. Which executes first, wire or the connected callback? So I think so I've already given the answer the first question itself. Usually what happens is first wire gets executed. This wire won't have any data. You can also try it out. You can have one wire and one connected callback, and then inside the connected callback, which gets connected callback, okay, which brings the data or which executes when the DOM is when the element is inserted inside the DOM. Now you have data available, and next time again wire gets executed. Now you have data. Okay, so first the wire gets executed, but you won't have any data. So after that the connected callback gets executed, and then the wire gets executed. So these are the answer to all the interview questions that we have discussed. If you found this video helpful, I request you to please subscribe to this channel.